Look at that one hand. Alright, so your coolant's right here. Wait till your engine's cool. Then you want to add 50-50. You don't have to add extra water. Make sure the jug says, which I'll make sure that it says for all makes and models, mix with any color antifreeze. And the best thing I like to do is use a funnel. Put the funnel in, and you just pour it in there. And usually your car has a sensor if it goes below the minimum, this minimum line in here. Right now it's just below the maximum, the fluid down there, so it's good because we already added fluid, but the fluid was below the, you can't even see the minimum because it's the fluid's blocking it. But yes, that's what you do, and then you get your cap back on there, righty tighty. There's an arrow right there. You want to line up the arrows. Are you still out here? Oh.